of rod under its self weight. Students, you might have noticed if there is a metallic rod, it's hanging by its own weight. There is an increase in its length after certain time. You might have noticed. In your childhood, your parents must be saying that you should hang yourself to get your height increased. How an elastic material, by virtue of its own weight, get elongation? Let me tell you the meaning of elongation. Elongation means increase in the length of the material rod or wire by virtue of its own weight. By virtue of its own weight. I mean, बॉडी हैंग कर रही है और बॉडी का वेट है, तो बॉडी अपने ही वेट के कारण elongation means उसके अंदर net increase in length आ रहा है. To understand this, I have a rod. Its length is L. Its length is
L.
And I am going to study the increase in length in the part dx. Dx is what? The elongation. I am going to study elongation in dx. W is the weight of the rod. L is the length of the rod. T is equal to W upon L into x. Now you will put a question how it is. ये बड़ा simple है. If L is the length, weight is W. 1 is W upon L. If x, multiply by x. W upon L into x is nothing but the tension. It has got the dimension of weight, force, that is tension. Now elongation in dx element. Elongation in dx element is TDX upon AY. Now again you will get confused. How it is TDX upon AY? Look here. T upon A. T upon A is what? Stress. Y times elongation in dx. That is change in length in dx by original length. That is dx. So this is longitudinal strain. This is stress. So what is E? The elongation. T upon A cross multiplication dx upon y. I think it is clear.
Yes.
So students, elongation in dx भी मैंने derive किया. That is TDX upon AY. Here its derivation. Next step. We want to study the total elongation. We want to study
Total elongation.
the total elongation is lower limit 0 and upper limit is L. Total elongation in the length L. So it is TDX upon AY. T का value W upon L, X upon A, dx upon Y. So W upon L, AY is taken out, X dx. You know the famous formula, integration of x to n dx, x to n plus 1 upon n plus 1 plus c. Since it is a definite integral, so we will not write any c. So it is x square upon 202
L.
upper limit minus
Lower limit.
W upon 2 AYL into
L square.
so S, the total elongation, half into W upon AY into L. So students, this is the formula for the total elongation in the length of the wire L by virtue of its own weight. I think the word elongation should be clear to you. Is it clear?